Hello and welcome to Have Fun Cooking. Today we're going to be making ranch chicken and we're going to make it with some potatoes. So the first thing we're going to do is take this chicken and we're going to put it in the broiler just to give it some color, and then we're going to put it into the crock pot. And while the chicken is cooking in the broiler, we're going to get these potatoes peeled and cut up so we can put it into our crock pot. Okay, so we have our potatoes all chopped up. And I'm going to set these to the side so we can make our chicken soup base. So I was broiling the chicken, but that took too long. The best way to brown your meat without cooking it is just to pan sear it. And all it takes is a couple of minutes on each side, and you can pan sear it. It'll be fine for the crock pot. But if you broil it, it tends to cook it more. So just pan sear it, and then you can put it in your crock pot. Or you can skip this step altogether and just put your chicken in the crock pot when it's time to do so. Okay, so now it's time to add our ingredients to our crock pot. The first thing I'm doing is I have a half a cup of broth here, and I'm going to add, and I warmed this up, so I can add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of flour to it. And that way, by warming it up, it helps us to mix it better in here. Alright, so we're going to mix this, and once we have this good and mixed, then we can just go ahead and pour this into our crock pot, and then we can add our other ingredients to it. Here's a half a cup of milk. So the liquid added is about a cup. Well, it's exactly a cup. It's a half a cup of broth and a half a cup of milk. Next is a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, then a half a teaspoon of onion powder, and then some salt and pepper. Adding about just under a half a teaspoon of salt and just under about a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper. And that should be good. So if you don't have a can of cream of chicken soup, don't worry, just add that to it and it'll taste just like it. Okay, now next we're going to add our about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ranch powder. This ranch seasoning mix. You can add a whole packet of ranch seasoning mix, or add a few tablespoons of the ranch seasoning right here. And I have about 2.5 tablespoons of ranch seasoning mix right here. And then I'm going to stir this up in it. Okay, so now we're going to put our potatoes at the bottom. And then we're going to put our chicken on top. You can add some more vegetables to this if you like. Here is our seared chicken. Place the chicken on top. It's not done. Put that on top, and don't forget all the juices from the pan. Don't forget to add the butter. Need about a half a stick. Now with this, you're going to let this cook for 2 to 3 hours on high or 4 to 6 hours on low. And check it whenever the chicken reads 165 degrees, then it's done. And also if your potatoes are tender, it's done. Okay, so it's been cooking for 3 hours on high and everything is done. It's looking really good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our chicken out and we're going to shred that up or cut it up and put it back in. Okay, so once your chicken is nicely shredded up, let's put this back into the crock pot. Now we're going to add a little bit of cheese on it. So you test it for seasoning, and you can add just a little bit more seasoning, like some salt, or maybe even a little bit more of the ranch seasoning. Okay, not too much, because you may, if you want to, you can put cheese on top, so you don't want to add too much. If this is a little too thick, you can add a little bit more broth in here too. Okay, now you can add whatever cheese you would like to add. I'm adding a little bit of mozzarella. Give it a little bit of stretchiness, just a little bit, not too much. But I'm adding more mild cheddar. You can add sharp cheddar. You can add whatever cheese you like. Some pepper jack, whatever cheese you like. There we go. Now we're just going to let this melt on top, and then we'll be back. So with this meal, we're going to add a little side salad. Okay, so I'm just going to shave it like this and put this into the salad. Okay, so now the next thing will be the tomatoes and a little bit of mozzarella too. Okay, so the cheese is melted and this is ready to plate up now. So we have our ranch chicken with cheese with a side salad. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for future videos. And remember, have fun cooking.